What's up, guys? It's me.
Hi,
I'm
and
back,
me.
and my guest friend Caroline. Say what's up.
What's
All right,
up?
so
Guys,
hey, we
say
got
the
Sophie and Elisa. Okay. Yep.
Okay,
Stop.
just
I
All
was
right.
here last year, but now I'm gone. So.
Okay. Bye.
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 going on
Okay.
trips.
So we're doing lesson 3. Now we get to do multi-step word problems. I know you guys love that, so let's get going.
Nobody loves that.
They do. They tell me that all the time.
Nobody loves
In the race, the second place finisher crossed the line 1 1/3 minutes after the winner. Third place finisher was 1 3/4 behind the second place finisher. The third place finisher took 34 2/3 minutes. How long did the winner take? Okay, now this problem can be complicated. What do we know? We know that there was a first place, we know that there was a second, and we know that there was a third. Okay, so what does it tell me? It tells me that the third place finisher, and I'm going to use a bar here, this was 34 2/3 minutes. Okay, and it says that the third place finisher, voila, was 1 3/4 minutes behind the second one. So if I made second, now this, I'm going to use a different color here. This color right here, this represents, okay, get away. Okay, this represents 1 3/4. So to figure out how long it took this, I need to subtract 34 2/3 minus 1 3/4. And I get, that's 34, and this is 12. This is 1, this is 12. That's going to be a 9. That's going to be times 4. It's going to be an 8. So now I can, so that's 33, and that's 12 twelfths plus 8 is 20 twelfths. So that's going to give me 32 11 twelfths minutes. Okay, so now second place was 32 11 twelfths minutes. Now it says the second place finisher crossed the line 1 1/3 minutes after the winner. So now here's my winner.
Elisa, you didn't want to finish your
Okay.
pretzel?
Now once again, I'll do it again. So I'll show you this is the difference in time, which was 1 1/3. Okay. So now I got to take second place time, 32 11 twelfths minus 1 1/3. Denominator is going to be the same, 12. This is going to be 1, and that's 12, and that's 4, and that's 31 7 twelfths. So how long did the winner take? The winner took, so first place was 31 7 twelfths minutes. Now you're like, well, Mr. Zaya, 7 twelfths minutes, I never heard that. I know. So what we're going to do is make equivalent fractions. And this is another way you could have solved this. You could have turned all these into minutes. I'm going to show you how you do that. How many minutes there are in an hour? 60 total minutes. So equivalent fractions. So 7 out of 12. Well, 12 times 5 is 60. 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 out of 60 minutes. So it really took first place 31 minutes and 35 seconds. Well, this is seconds, my fault. 35 seconds. All right, guys? All right. Oh, nope, that's not it. We got one more. Sinister Stan stole 3 3/4 ounces of slime from Messy Molly. But his plan requires 6 3/8 ounces of slime. He stole another 2 3/5 ounces from Rude Ralph. How much more slime does Sinister Stan? So Sinister Stan, again, I'm going to use a tape diagram here. I'm going to use a drawing. He stole, okay, his plan requires 6. So this whole thing is what he needs. 6 3/8 ounces. So he stole 3 3/4 from Molly, and then he stole another 2 3/5 from Ralph. How much does he need to carry his plan? So I'm going to do, this is a two-step problem, 3 3/4 plus 2 3/5.
I spelled it right. Wait, that's the part two. I tell you the situation here. So.
Okay, so now I got to make equivalent fractions. 4, that's 12 times 5 times 5, that's 15. So when I add this up, I get 27/20 and 5. So this is equal to 1 7/20 because it's an improper fraction. So this is 6 7/20. I'm going to do 6 3/8 minus 6 7/20. So now what's my denominator going to be is the question. It's got to be 40, okay? This is 14, because this is times 2, times 2. This is 15. And subtract it, I get 1/40. So he needs 1/40 ounces more for his e-ball plow. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways, there it is. Check out the flow chart. Bye.